Hi guys, welcome to lesson 8.8, quadrilaterals. I can identify characteristics of a quadrilateral. Alright guys, this is your anchor chart for today's lesson. I chose this anchor chart because it put quadrilaterals in an umbrella. So quadrilaterals are any four-sided shape. So they're trapezoids, parallelograms, rectangles, rhombuses, squares. Those are all quadrilaterals. And I like how it even separated the trapezoid from the other types. So this anchor chart is really going to come in handy when we really start sorting. All right. So first of all, let's go through the types of quadrilaterals. The first type is just a square. A square has four sides. It has two pairs of parallel sides. So you can see this side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. Erase. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. I was using my pen wrong. Okay. So everybody should know a square. Four right angles, four equal sides. Another type is a rectangle. Rectangle is another shape you've been working with probably since kindergarten. So a rectangle is any shape with four sides and two pairs of parallel sides, and it has to have four right angles. So a square fits all the requirements of a rectangle except the four equal sides. So a square is a special type of rectangle. If we look back at our anchor chart, you will see rectangle, and then right below it is square, because a square is just a special type of rectangle. Okay. Now we're going to talk about a rhombus. So a rhombus just has to have four sides, two pairs of parallel sides, and four equal sides. So a rhombus does not fit the requirements of a rectangle because it does not have the right angles. It does not have to. But a rhombus could be, I want to say this correctly. Let me go back to my anchor chart. That's right. A rhombus can be a parallelogram, and a square can be a rhombus. But, okay, so a parallelogram just has four sides and two pairs of parallel sides. And then we have a trapezoid, and he's the weird one. He just has four sides, and he can only have one pair of parallel sides. This side and this side are parallel. This side and this side are not, because they intersect eventually. So that's what makes a trapezoid so special. It only has that one pair of parallel sides. All right, now we're going to talk about the relationships. So if we start with a quadrilateral just has to have four sides. There we go. So all of these shapes fit the definition of quadrilateral. Parallelogram. So a parallelogram has 4 sides, 2 pairs of parallel sides. It does not have to have right angles, and it does not have to have equal sides. Let's talk about a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 2 pairs of parallel sides, 4 right angles, but it does not have to have these 4 equal sides. So there you go. Rhombus. Okay, now rhombuses typically look like this. If you're taking a test, a rhombus might look like that. Sometimes they make it go like a diamond. They'll turn it a little bit. So a rhombus has 4 sides, 2 pairs of parallel sides, does not have 4 right angles, but it does have 4 equal sides. There you go. A square. Well, a square has 4 sides, 2 pairs of parallel sides, 4 right angles, and 4 equal sides. So it would look like that. Trapezoid, he's the weird one. He's got 4 sides. He does not have 2 pairs of parallel sides. He does not have 4 right angles, and he does not have 4 equal sides. This side, it always has one really long side and one really short. So our oddball, trapezoid, he only fits one box right here. And that's okay. He can be different. Okay, so you might want to use this screen to help you with your math today. Because today we're going to be looking at the relationships. We're not just identifying the name of our shapes, we're actually thinking deeper about it. So, you might see this question on Think Central today. And kids freak out and they always get it wrong. So, I want you to really think about it. Really use this chart. Think of it like the umbrella, okay? So when I look, I notice here's A, okay? I need a darker color. A is inside of the whole box. So what word would name all the shapes inside the box? Well, a quadrilateral is going to name all of these, right? So I'll give you a hint. A is going to be quadrilateral. Then, once you got that one figured out, then think about, okay, what's this oddball over here? What shape only has 4 sides? Well, if I come back to my grid, what shape only has 4 sides? Remember, it's our oddball. Well, F is going to have to be trapezoid, right? So that eliminates 2 right off the bat. Now you've got these 4. So look how there's a big circle here and a letter B. So what shape is going to describe 3 other shapes? Let's look back at our anchor chart. We're going to go way back in time. Sorry, there's no other way to get back here any faster. I'm using Show Me today. So, oh, there it was. Okay. Oh, parallelograms describe rectangles, rhombuses, and squares. Do you think parallelograms might work for that one? Let's take a look. Okay, yes. So B would have to be a parallelogram. Okay? That leaves you with 3 more. The trick is this one. Which of these shapes share similarities with the other two? I could tell you what I'm thinking, but I'm going to leave you guys to figure this one out, okay? On your own. Guys, use this chart. It's very helpful. And you only have 3 left to figure out. I totally think you can do it. All right. All right, guys, email me if you need any help. Have fun with your Think Central assignment, and I will talk to you later.